What's up, everyone? Let's talk about Nano Dimension, or NNDM. They just report Q4 and full year 2020 financial results. The earnings report call was so positive that NNDM spiked over 18%. In this video, I will discuss why NNDM's share price is moving higher even though they reported a loss. The question is, should you buy NNDM if you have not already done so? I will also share with you what I think and what I'll be doing next. Lastly, I will also provide you my price prediction. You probably want to stick around for this. Swadee, this is Hello in Thai. My name is Anthony and welcome to Quantum Finance. If you're a returning viewer, thank you for your support and welcome back. If you're new, welcome. Please help us reach the 10K subscriber goal by hitting the subscribe button below if you have not already done so. Also be sure to like, share, and hit the alert bell button so that you can get my latest video. With that out of the way, let's get right into it. For those who don't know NNDM, or Nano Dimension, it is an industry leader additive manufacturing electronics, or AME, or printed electronics, PE, provider company that is based in Israel. To date, NNDM has raised a total of $710 million in direct offering to big institutions such as ARK Invest and other investors. NNDM stated that its 2020 revenues were affected by COVID-19 pandemic and reported revenues of $1.971 million for Q4 2020 and $3.4 million for the full year of 2020. This is not a surprise to anyone. The company ended Q4 with $690.9 million in cash, while total loss for Q4 was $17.4 million. NNDM reported a net loss for the full year 2020 at $48.5 million or $1.13 per share, compared to $8.4 million or $2.38 per share in 2019. NNDM did narrow its Q4 net loss to 20 cents, down from 35 cents per share, losing during the same quarter in 2019. The reason why NNDM price spiked was that during the earnings report call Q&A, investors learned the following. NNDM President and CEO Yoav Stern has been appointed to its board of directors as chairman position and will have more control of the company. NNDM have multiple non-binding intent letters signed for mergers and acquisitions. Yoav Stern has been in talk with 85 companies and have narrowed down the list. He will be traveling the next 3 days to perform on-site due diligence. This confirms that mergers and acquisitions are happening, but don't expect one to be announced until NNDM has cautiously, thoughtfully, and in the right time will make the announcement. Yoav Stern warned investors to be patient for the next 1 to 2 quarters, and if you do not have the patience, he cautioned everyone not to invest in NNDM. NNDM is in its early stage to transform the printed circuit board, or PCB, industry. This is a $30 billion plus industry that has not digitized, nor has it been environmentally friendly. NNDM aims to change this by acquiring other competitors that have the technologies to break into adjacent industries and therefore increase its total addressable market, or TAM. In particular, it aims to acquire companies that are in the micromechanical, microelectrical devices, and nano devices as it relates to military, medical, and other industry segments. It is also working on the new and improved version of the Dragonfly, which will come on market by summer 2021. It is said to be more efficient and have better performance. It will have 3 to 4x the conductivity, improved strength and temperature spec, increased stability and repeatability of the machine, overall usage of ink efficiency, and improved software to take the machine to the next level of performance. We also learned that NNDM components are being used and tested in space. Perhaps this is why Cathi Wood of ARK Invest have been rumored to include NNDM in her ARKX space ETF. Cathi Wood recently stated that, quote, originally it used to call itself a 3D printed circuit board company. Now, Nano Dimension has broadened the view of itself into 3D printed technology device company, unquote. NNDM's story is also winning contracts from defense agencies. Cathi Wood pointed out how ARK Invest, quote, always look for where the defense is putting their money, unquote. This is an indicator of new disruptive technologies being applied before it goes mainstream for commercialization. In summary, NNDM is heading toward an inflection point of fast changes. This is why big institution investors, and in particular Cathi Wood of ARK Invest, have been loading up on NNDM shares. NNDM is becoming a force of technology disruptor in its niche industry. Let's look at its daily chart. NNDM closed at $11.10. It was up $1.72 or 18.3%. It formed a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. Note, that its MACD lines are about to cross and its RSI has surpassed the center line. Watch out for a breakout above the $11.22. If the breakout is confirmed, my price target is between $14 to $15.50. I've been telling our patrons to buy NNDM since March 6, 2021 when it formed a hammer stick pattern at the $6 to $7 range. Most of our patrons are making lots of moolahs with this play. If you like what you see and want more, you can join our Patreon by clicking on the link provided in the description. I am looking to buy more call options on NNDM tomorrow and buying on the dip. I am long in NNDM and I will be holding this stock for the next several years to come. If you find the video of value, please like, share, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Thank you, and let's go make some mullahs!